first we're going to take a drink of coffee and do a little dance. I do have a couple little breakouts, so I did want to conceal them, just the redness mainly, just to kind of tone them down. So I just went in with my e.l.f. Orange, I believe they're called crayons, concealing crayons, or crayon, but I went ahead and popped some of that orange on there, and those red spots, and then just blended it out with a Real Techniques concealer blending brush. To hydrate my face with the Badescu Lavender spray. And then moving on to foundation, I am mixing the Covergirl Healthy Elixier and the LA Girl Pro Matte. I'm between both shades, so that's why I use both. And I also love the combination of the two. One is matte and one's, I wouldn't say a dewy finish, but almost just a satin finish. So I like how the two blend together as well. And then we're just going to blend that out. You need to blend everywhere, all the way down the neck. Oh, okay. Give a little kiss. The neck, the chest. If you're wearing your hair up, don't forget to do the back of your neck. Blend in. Next, for concealer, we're going to use the Revolution concealer. It's just the newer one. I love this concealer. It's definitely a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape if you didn't want to splurge on the Tarte one. They are a little bit different consistency, but I love both. The Revolutions one is also full coverage, just like the Tarte Shape Tape as well. And then we're just going to blend that out with the same Real Techniques brush that I used to blend out the orange e.l.f. crayon. Next, to prep our lids, we're just going to go with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. I like this one a little bit better for me than Soft Ochre or any of the other shades. It kind of just blends with my skin tone better. And yeah. Then we're moving on to contouring. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild contour stick. I love these crayons. I keep calling everything crayons, but I feel like they just all look like it. If you're new to cream contouring and you just want to give it a try, these are very easy to blend out, so I would give it a go. That's the one that I used when I was starting out with cream contour, and I think they're definitely the best one to start with. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetic Contour and Blush Palette. Just take that peachy tone right there, set everything under my eyes so that Revolution's concealer does not budge during the day. Alright, to set my contour, I'm going to go in with the palette from Five Below that I showed you guys in my previous videos. I'm in love with this. I just use your far left brown shade. It's my far right. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I don't think I've used anything else since I bought that one. I just love it. And it's so pigmented, especially for $5. You can't beat it. Today I'm going to take the MAC highlighter in Super V and just apply that with my Morphe fan brush. I'm just going to apply that on the tops of my cheekbones, my nose, and then my Cupid's bow as well. Feel free to put it wherever your little heart desires though. am just setting my MAC Painterly with a neutral shade just so that my eyeshadow blends out seamlessly. Here I'm going to take the Revolution's, I think it's SOPH X palette, and just take that peachy tone to blend into my crease. Is it SOPH X? Yeah. I'll leave it in the bottom bar. I think that's right there. Next, in that same palette, I'm going to take, there we go. I'm going to take that pink shimmer shade. Just kind of keep it simple but glowy. Just going to apply that everywhere on our lid. So I didn't feel like filling in my eyebrows, but I did make sure that I brushed them to groom them. And then to set everything, I'm going to go with the Revolution SOPH X spray, just to set everything in place. And for mascara, I went in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise by Loreal. And that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this simple get ready with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.